As you can see, I'm lagging, I can't even run. Yeah, he's hosting, it's 0-0, he's just rushed the bomb. I can't even run. So as you can see, he's clearly overspeeding. And then he's just... But as you can see, I can't even get a point. And there you go. Server connection timed out. As you can see, it's not my connections or game pictures are showing up. Last met 1 minute ago. I'll send him a message saying good game. And I'll host map 2. Alright, thanks.